Good evening, children. Myself, Pintu sir, your maths teacher. I think all you are fine. So now I start the chapter number 1, number up to the 4 digit, the 9 ones, tens, 100 and 1000, and this place value we can discuss in this chapter. So at first I will be explain you the digit. What are the digits are there? What are the digits are there? There are 1 digit, there are 2 digit, there are 3 digit, and there are 4 digit number. There are 4 digit number. So that suppose I will give you one number 4642. If you break this number in 100, 1000, tens and ones, then it's 4600, 4 tens and 2 ones. If you break in number 4640 plus 2. Okay, first to understand the concept very clearly without starting the exercise. First you complete the chapter. First you complete the concept of the chapter. What are the important concepts? Second concept are the smallest and the greatest number. What is the meaning of the smallest number and what is the meaning of the greatest number? Suppose I will be take a 4 number 4, 16, 24, 39. So out of this 4 number, which one is the smallest number and which one is biggest number? You know already, you are discussed in class 2. So 4 is the smallest number and 39 is the biggest number. Is that clear? Understood? So now we discussed ascending order and the descending order. Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means the increasing, the small to big, and the descending order means big to small. Understand the concept of big to small. So the concept of the exercise 1 small part are finished. Now we start 1A chapter. From each and every question I will finish just 2 and 3 just example, and all the rest question completed by you. So first question is write the following number in words. To write the numbers in words. Number is given, you write in the words, means you write the spelling. 54, 54, 54. You write down the spelling of 54. 289, 289. B number, spelling is given, you write the number. But you should practice to write the number from your right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. In this format you write the number. Number C is, there is expansion is given, 400, 5 tens, 3 ones. You just write the number. It is better to underline the just number and digit that and just you write that number. Number D question is pattern. 15, 13, 11, 9. You just follow the distance between 15 and 13. 1. 15, 14 nahi hai. 14, no 14, 13. No 12, 11. No 10, 9. So in this format you can write the answer. So number E and number F is greatest and smallest. Greatest means the biggest number and the smallest means very small number. Okay. So 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. 1 digit greatest number is 9 and 1 digit smallest number is 1. 2 digit greatest number is 99 and 2 digit smallest number is 1010. We increasing just 1 9 here and increasing in the smallest form 1 0. Okay. Number E question, there are 4 number are there, 43, 53, 35, 39, 93. You have to write the greatest number and smallest number. सबसे बड़ा and सबसे छोटा. 93 is the greatest number and 35 is the smallest number. Ascending order and descending order. I already discussed the concept that is already discussed in class 2 also, that how to write the ascending order and how to write the descending order. That numbers are given, so one by one from small, which is the number is small, you write the which is the big. It's a very easy procedure, but just you tick that number which was already done, already selected for ascending and descending. Okay, so exercise 1A is over. From each question I will be explaining you 1 and 2 questions, and all the question you can finish in your exercise book. And for maths you also make a new copy. With cover, and whatever the maths you practice, do on that copy, no rough copy. Is that clear? No rough copy you should use. Exercise 1B. Exercise 1B. So there are filling the blanks is there 4053, underline 0. So you have to explain that 0 is which place. From right hand side you come ones, tens, 100. So 0 underline, 0 in 100 place. So you write that 0 is at 100 place. 0 is at 100 place. In question number 2, that 2537, underline 3. Underline 3. You tell me that 3 is in which place? 3 is in tens place. 3 is in tens place. Number B, the number is given, you just expand the number. Suppose 5023 is the number, you write down 5000, 0, 100, 2 tens, 3 ones. And number C, the number is given, you just arrange the number in the place value column. From 1000, 100, tens, 1. 3000, 500, 4 tens, 6 ones. I also explain you how to break that number. 300, 500, 40 plus 6. Now whatever the question is already done, that a spelling is given, the number is given. You just practice it. You already know how to do that number. The pattern 2015, 2016, 2017, then 2018 in the sixth pattern is going on. 9731, 9741, 9751, 9761, 9771. 10, 10 will be increasing. Now counting 5. 1521 to 1546. You just writing this number up to this and counting 5. You increase a 5. 521, increase 5, 546. Then again increase 1, 5431. Again increase 1, 5436. In this way you write up to 1546. 1546. In one place you increasing 5. And now the number H question 4531 to 4931, you write down increasing 100. You just change the 100 place. 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. In this way you just change the number. So childrens, your 2 exercise is over, 1A and 1B. 1A and 1B is already over. So there is no tension of 1A and 1B. Whatever you do, you go home, you practice properly, and you with a pencil you write down in your book, and the same thing you will be practice in your copy. You make a new copy maths, covered it, and do it properly date wise. Practice very properly, because I will be take your test in this next week. Is that clear? And do my maths very sincerely. First you understand the concept, then you have to do the maths. Okay? Let's good night. See you the next day, the next session class. So safe and secure at home, your home. Okay? Good night.